Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. Unseasonal rains, erratic weather has spelled difficult times ahead for cashew and fenny producers. They say production could fall by 60 to 70%. The Congress has not been an opposition to the BJP in the last 5 years. Only given them MLAs, alleges AAP, as Pratima stresses that only AAP has shown that it can fight the BJP consistently. The 52nd IFFI saw Goan movies along with other international and domestic films as the film festival's 6th day ended on Thursday. And now for the news in detail. The 52nd IFFI saw Goan movies featured along with other international and domestic films as the film festival finished off its 6th day on Thursday.
On the red carpet, Goa 365 spoke to Alvaro Turian, music composer of event screening, Maguado. Actors of Goan film Da Costa House cast and director also spoke during the red carpet event. Regional feature film Neel Hakki's Nidhi Nagraj Hegde, Vishnu Prasad Palanje and Ganesh Hegde gave details of the film at the red carpet.
Who neither knows or wants to be a father, however the unexpected arrival of his son.
It kind of gives the mood of the film, and it's quite raw music with acoustic instruments representing each character, and what I think it does the job.
Great opportunity to open film to India in IFFI. So we feel really blessed to have an Indian premiere here. So the story is about a 10-year-old kid who wants to explore his roots. We would love to show the film to everybody here.
So I played a mother to the 10-year-old, and this film is also about the entire family. So it also explores my character's desires and everything.
या पिक्चराचो बेसीक कन्सेप्ट हो क्रायम थ्रिलर आसा. हांव स्टोरी रिवील करूं शकचो ना कारण तो ऑडियन्सांनी पळयतरी लोकांक एक अंदाज येतलो, पूण एक क्रायम थ्रिलर लोक एन्जॉय करतले, सामके सिटाचे एजीर बसून एन्जॉय करपाक, म्हणजे आतां कितें मुखार जातलें असो जो एक हें आसतलो, तुका टेन्शन आसतलें तें तुमकां पळोवपाक मेळटलें.
बट इट इज समथींग टू डू वीथ क्रायम आनी कशे तरेन लोक क्रायम करपाक म्हणजे फुडें सरतात आनी ताजो मागीर फुडें एंड कसो जाता ते क्रायम करतकच, ही ती स्टोरी आसा. 24 वरां भितर ज्यो कितें घडामोडी घडटा, एक क्रायम घडटा आनी त्या क्रायमाचे नंतर 24 वरां कशें कितें, तितल्याचेरूच तो आख्खो फिल्म आसा. 2 वरांचो फिल्म, पूण आज सांजचो सुरू जाता आनी दुसरे दिसा तो सोंपता, इतलें फिल्म आसा तें. पूण शुअरली म्हणजे म्हाका अशें दिसता, हांवें जेन्ना स्क्रिप्ट आयकलें हें डायरेक्टरा कडल्यान, तेन्ना म्हाका जालें दिसलें की 2 वरां हें फिल्म आमकां सगळें विसरूंक लायतलें.
खूब बरें दिसता कारण आमी वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग लॉट मेनी फिल्म्स, बट ड्युरिंग द पॅन्डेमीक दिस इज मिस्टर सालगांवकर एंड डॉक्टर सालगांवकर, प्रमोद सालगांवकर, मिसेस सालगांवकर एज ट्रिमेंडसली वर्क. सगळे तांचे एफर्ट्स ड्युरिंग पॅन्डेमीक काळान पासून ही इंडस्ट्री मुखार वचपाक जाय. अलॉंग विथ देअर सोशल कमिटमेंट्स with the people around the Goa, they worked very tirelessly during the pandemic to give out all the pharma products which were required. Besides ताज्या फाटल्यान बॅकग्रावंड एक फिल्म आसतालें which is their passion, म्हणजे ताजे जोडपा खातीर न्ही पूण एक व्हडलो इन्वेस्टमेंट करून गोंयच्या कलाकारांक सगळ्यांक एकठांय घेवन तांणी इतके बरें फिल्म प्रोड्यूस केल्लें आसा, and that got selected in the Goa section.
Sham Shari for Goa 365 from IFFI.
The Congress has not been an opposition to the BJP in the last 5 years. and this includes the role of the working president Alesh Sequeira as an opposition figure in the past 5 years, AAP charged. In fact, AAP Vice President Pratima Coutinho said that the Congress has been the cradle for creating MLAs to the BJP, citing the example of the 13 Congress MLAs who defected after Goa gave a mandate of 17 MLAs to the Congress in 2017.
The midnight meeting of Congress's working president Regina Lorenzo has drawn lot of flank. On Thursday, AAP Vice President Pratima Coutinho hit out at Congress, saying that while the Aam Aadmi Party has been fighting the BJP consistently, the Congress has not functioned as an opposition for the past 5 years. Even Alexis Sequeira, who was missing in Congress for past year, was suddenly made working president, still has no word to speak against the BJP, Pratima alleged.
Alesh Sequeira खंयतरी म्हणटा तेन्ना की तुम्ही पहिला आसतले तो म्हणटा तेन्ना मध्येच कन्फ्यूज जाता आनी म्हणटा दॅट देर इज नो ऑपोजिशन, आप इज द ओनली ऑपोजिशन टू काँग्रेस म्हणटा, मागीर म्हणटा लेट मी रिपीट म्हणटा टू द बीजेपी म्हणटा, तो कितें उलयता ताका खबर ना. द एंटायर गोवा गली गली का बच्चा भुरग्यां देखून कोणी सांगतलो, लेमॅन सांगतलो की आयज जो बी टीम आसा, बीजेपीची बी टीम आसा जाल्यार ती म्हणटा ती काँग्रेस जाल्ली आसा म्हणटा. वेर वॉज Alesh Sequeira 5 years when he had to speak against the wrongdoings of BJP? जेन्ना तू ऑपोजिशनार आसा, आयज तू वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट जाल्लो आसा, इलेक्शन 3 म्हयने आसा म्हणल्यार बाबा तू खंय आशिल्लो जेन्ना रॉंग डुईंग्स जाताले, पॉलिसीज रॉंग पॉलिसीज बीजेपीन केले तांकां पिन पॉइंट करपाक Alesh Sequeira म्हाका सांगचें. So we want to know why Alesh Sequeira has not done that. The prime principal opposition म्हणटा ते गोंयांत आयज आम आदमी पार्टी जावन आसा. आमचे आमदार नासतना देखून आमी रस्त्यार देंवतात आनी प्रोटेस्ट करता बीजेपीचे रॉंग डिम्साचेर. इट इज योर पार्टी काँग्रेस हू इज द बी टीम ऑफ बीजेपी. वेन आय से दीस आय से इट विथ ऑल द प्रूफ्स. बीजेपीच्या घरांत सगळे काँग्रेसाचे आमदार बशिल्ले आसा. राजन डिमेलो हू वॉज द चीफ स्पोकपर्सन ऑफ काँग्रेस पार्टी just not even 3 months back, where he's talking to one person and telling what is the actual picture of Congress. We don't have to talk about the Congress. He himself has said that these people, Congress today is quite not talking against the BJP because Prajan त्यांच्याच spokesperson सांगले की they are not talking because something in a lighter way सांगता, बरे उतरांनी सांगता. तो म्हणटा यांचे जे स्केलेटन आसात यांनी पातकां केल्ली आसात पळय टेन्युरा टायमार, घोटाळा केल्लो आसा, करप्शन केल्लो आसा ह्या काँग्रेस लिडर्सान, तांची सगळे स्केलेटन्स आर इन देअर कबर्ड म्हणून, अदरवाइज दे विल गेट एक्सपोज्ड म्हणून.
Shyam Jari for Gua 365 from Panaji.
Looks like the government has been forced to bow down before the protesting villagers of Old Goa. The order has been issued to revoke the construction license to the ongoing construction at the heritage site in Old Goa, TCP Minister Chandrakant Babu Kavlekar said.
Babu said the permission to this construction was not given during his tenure. The department has been already informed no permission should be given to such kind of constructions coming up in heritage sites. People were up in arms over the construction in heritage site.
As a TCP minister, तुम्ही हे जे परमिशन
ऐकय जे तू ओल्ड गोवाचे उलयता न्ही जाल्यार ते म्हज्या टायमा भितर जाल्लें काम न्हू हें. जेन्ना म्हजे नदरेक जेन्ना येयले हे म्हज्या खूब पयलीं जाल्ले ताबडतोब चवकशी करपाक लायिल्ली आनी इंस्ट्रक्शन दिल्लें आसा ऑलरेडी की असले जे कितें पयलीं कोणी मिस्टेक केल्ले आसात ते ताबडतोब फाटीं घेवचे, रिव्यू करचे म्हणून इंस्ट्रक्शन दिल्लें आसा.
Till date, people have been adamant about their protests. They say they won't budge till government listens to their demand.
आज कितले दीस तुमचे येयला सर?
आज दुसरा दीस.
पण कितें अजून वचून कितें येयला तुमकां फीडबॅक ते
आमकां कांय फीडबॅक मेळोंक ना, पूण पळयता आमी सरकाराची वाट पळयता केन्ना तो आमचे मागणी आयकतलो आनी तो बंगलो मोडून उडयतलो.
पण तुमकां खंय कोणी विजिटींग बी येयले कोण आमदार कोण ऑथॉरिटीज कांयच
तांकां पडोनूच वचोंक ना न्हू. आतां इलेक्शनाचो बोगो मतां खंयच्यान मेळोंक जाय तें तांकां पळोवपाक जाय.
तर आतां तुमी कंटिन्यूच दवरतले अशें
मोडोसर कंटिन्यूस दवरतले
आनी कशें आतां हंगर स्ट्रायक चेंज हंगर स्ट्रायक आहा कितें तुमचें कशें
आमी कंटिन्यू करतले. हांव जाल्यार हांगाच आसतलें आनी लोकूय खूब येवपाचो आसा हांगा स्ट्रायकाक आनी ते आमकां हिंगा जॉईन जातले.
आनी ते सपोर्ट बी लोकांचो
हय खूब येयलेलो आसा. सद्याक आमी तांकां मातशें हें केलां बस दवरल्या कारण तांकां दिसपाक चलता आनी ते डिस्टर्बन्स जावंक नाका म्हणून ताका लागून.
Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365 from Margaon.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Unseasonal rain and erratic weather have spelled difficult times ahead for cashew and fenny producers in the state, who say that without the cool winter season, their trees would not bear fruit. The farmers and producers are afraid that they may suffer heavy losses as production would fall by 60 to 70%.
The low-pressure area over the Arabian Sea has brought unseasonal rain to the state, which has caused widespread damage to crops. Now, cashew farmers are also worried of the loss they would incur. The cashew trees require a well-defined dry season of at least 4 months in order to provide the best yield, which is usually the winter season in Goa, says Amol Gaonkar, a cashew farmer in Bicholi. Where trees would give yield by February, it is now feared they may fruit as late as May, disrupting the cashew season and eating away profits.
ऑक्टोबर, नोव्हेंबर, डिसेंबर म्हटल्यार हे सारकी थंडी पडटा आमच्या गोंयांत आनी ती थंडी पडल्या उपरांत आमचे आंबे म्हण काजी म्हण तश्योच भिंडी हे ते सगळे ह्यो तवारपाच्यो आसता आनी तेज्या उपरांत हे सगळे पीक मागीर फेब्रुवारी, मार्च, एप्रील म्हटल्यार सगळ्यो काजी बिजी लागता आनी सगळे हे सिजनेबल पीक आमकां मेळटा. आनी अंदू ह्यो पावस पडल्या कारणान त्यो डायरेक्ट इफेक्ट ह्यो काजी तवारपाच्या जाग्यार त्यो काजी पाल्योंक लागल्यो आनी त्यो पाल्याल्या उपरांत ह्यो काजी ह्या सिजनाक अंदू लागपाच्यो ना कळ्ळें तुका. आनी जशें आमकां वर्साचें प्रोडक्शन जावंक आसलें पळय तें अंदू जावचें ना कळ्ळें दिसता म्हाका.
तुमकां इनकम वायज कितें इफेक्ट जातलो ताजो?
इनकम वायज म्हटल्यार आतां वर्सा जश्यो काजी आमकां प्रॉफीट जाताले पळय ते आमचे अंदू अर्द्याचे अर्दे जावं शकता, कमी जावं शकता सारकें. म्हणजे सगळे म्हणजे 80% काजी अंदू पाल्याल्ल्यो आसा, अंदू तवरोकूच ना काजी. एक्चुअली येन्ना तवरोन तांकां ती फुलोवन तांकां बारीक बारीक फोका पडपाचो टायम जाल्लो पूण आजून पासून फोका ना कांय ना. आनी ह्या पावस म्हाका दिसता ह्यो पावस आतां डिसेंबर मेरेन फुडलो म्हयनो अशेंच करीत जाल्यार आमचो सिजन गेल्लो आसा दिसता म्हाका.
म्हणजे लॉस जातले तुमकां?
लॉस जातले, कंप्लीट लॉस जातले.
हो जो पावस आहा पळय क्लायमेट सामकें आमच्या तर धंद्याक हो सुटेबल ना. म्हणजे सामकें आमकां आतां त्रास हो ह्या हितून आमकां सॉलिड आमकां हे जातले की आतां ह्या हो सिजन आतां म्हणजे हो टायम म्हणजे सारको थंडीचो. जर थंडी पडली जाल्यार काजींक कितें तरी हे येतले, मोर येता आनी मागीर त्यो काजी लागा. आतां थंडी ना कांय ना आनी पावस आतां त्यो सगळ्यो काजी परत पाल्या येतल्यो काय आमकां आनी तेजे म्हणजे आतां त्यो गेल्यो फुडें वयतल्यो ते आनी म्हणजे सिजन जेन्ना जावंक जाय तेन्ना जावचोच ना आनी सामक्यो मे म्हयन्यान बी तेन्ना लागतल्यो आनी मागीर परत पावस पडटलो आनी सगळें आमकां ते लॉसूच ते. म्हणजे आमकां हेजो कितेंच फायदोच जावचो ना काजींचो. आनी पयलींचे आतां 2 वर्सां पयलीं आदी कोरोनान आमकां जम केलें, आतां हो पावस हें करता. म्हणजे मुट्टेच ना लागचे लेट लागल्यो जाल्यार सामक्यो लेट लागतल्यो आनी तेन्ना परत पावस स्टार्ट जातलो. म्हणजे पावस पडलो काय आमकां परत काडूंकूच गावचें ना. म्हणजे हो सारको म्हणजे आमकां धंद्याक सारको प्रॉब्लेम हेजो.
Mahesh Goekar for Goa 365 from Bicholi.
5 labour associations affiliated to the Mormugaon Port Trust to come together to organize a nationwide strike from 15 December onwards to protest against privatization of government's ports and to safeguard their legal and special rights.
The senior executive committee gave details about the issue. They alleged that the MPT's berth numbers 10 and 11 being privatized. If this happens, then the workers would suffer and they would lose their jobs. This is a danger to the port and also the economy, they argued.
Because once the intention behind is to convert this as companies. They can adopt a resolution with the 4 people in the board, authority board, to convert this port as a company. Once it is becoming a company, it is quite natural, automatically it will be privatized. If I am taking 51% of the share of that particular company, I am the boss. If I am having 74 and 26%, only one director will be there, rest will be managed by me. So we fear that the intention, hidden agenda behind this authority act enactment is to convert the ports as companies, government ports as companies, and hand it over to private parties.
Landlord ports.
Landlord, they declared, we are going to do landlord port. What is a landlord port? They will be only collecting toll. Ships are bringing, and you are giving the facility. You are simply sitting. Then what is the need of the bureaucrats in the major ports as the head of department, head of institution? Not necessarily only one clerk with a computer can collect the toll. Ship is coming, ship is going. Their job is over. Rest will be done by the private parties. So they are creating such a situation without understanding the implication. I may say that implications of their decision.
अजून बिल सारखे पास जावंक ना पूण आमचे मॅनेजमेंटान दे हॅव टेकन अ डिसिजन टू प्रायवेटायज बर्थ नंबर 10 and 11. आमकां डिसिजन घेनासतना पार्टी ऑलरेडी इंटरनली दे हॅव prepared the party. They have spoken to the parties to which parties they are going to take. But after our board member highlighted this in the board meeting, then they had a meeting with the unions. But still, internally everything is going on to privatize the port. They see if it is given to private party, it is not mentioned. Or they will handle any this cargo. So whichever cargo we were handling, they will handle it. And our staff will be surplus, and they will treat as surplus and force us to go take VRS.
Actually, port is not even recovering the cost what we are spending to worth one vessel, cruise vessel. All this we are doing for the betterment of the state, local economy, which is generating employment like taxi and a small thing. See, we are contributing so much to the local economy. If the private entity comes to the port and do the business, they are not going to do all these activities which are required for the betterment of states and economy and public at all.
Major Port Act bill has affected us very much because this could be the privatization totally, as our senior leaders said also, President of All India Port and Brokers Federation, Hanifji and others. We port employees at the moment are struggling for the business. The port is deficit for 86 crores at the moment, and we have around 1,300 employees, the serving employees, and 4,500 pensioners. Around 5,000 pensioners are depending. Families are depending on the pension. As our comrade said, but number 10 and 11, if they privatize, everything will go, and no work will be there for the workmen. I also say, as a comrade said, port is here to handle all type of cargoes. Also, this strike notice which has been served will be serving all the ports, will be serving before 30th, and will be definitely going countrywide for the strike for these demands of us.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. AAP's Pratima Coutinho ignited it, and Goa 365 took it up to its logical end. After the news of privatization of KTC parcel service came out, the government was forced to take this decision back, and the private parcel counter was replaced by a KTC counter.
AAP had lashed out at the government, alleging that the BJP is involved in a big scam by privatizing every government service. Few months ago, Goa 365 highlighted the news of privatization of parcel service. AAP Vice President Pratima Coutinho had alleged the privatization is leading to empty the government treasury and filling the pockets of private enterprises. The government was forced to take the matter seriously and get the KTC take over the parcel service counter.
की जे KTC कदंबा जे पार्सल सर्विस चलयताले इतले वर्सां त्या आशिल्ल्या आमच्या सरकाराच्या खातीर खंयच्या सरकार आसूं ते काँग्रेस बीजेपी खंयचे सरकारा खातीर आमचे जनरेट जाताले आनी रेव्हेन्यू येताले. आय थिंक नथिंग लेस देन 16,000 to 18,000 सरकाराक गोंयचे सरकाराक पर डे 16,000 ते 18,000 येताले. पूण तेही यांनी आपले कमिशन मेळपाक जाय म्हूण यांनी कितें केलें काडले आनी प्रायवेटायझेशनाक दिले आनी जे केटीसीच्या हाती आशिल्ले ते बंद केले. आणि इफ यू गो टू सी केटीसी ते काउंटरा सायडीन तांचे काउंटर घातिले प्रायवेटायझेशन आनी तेंचे चार्ज करताले चड. पार्सल समज पेडणे साकून काणक्यान पावपा जाय, पणजे साकून मडगांव पावपा जाय, पयशे चड काडटाले पूण रेव्हेन्यू कितले येताले दाखयताले कितले 2,500 ते 3,000. सो त्या दीस हांवें आवाज उखडलो आनी हांव स्पेशल थँक्स म्हणूंक सोदता 365 कित्याक आवाज रेज केलो आनी आयज 5-6 दीस जाले ते इतले ट्रोल जाले की सरकाराक लज जाली. इतली लज जाली की तेणी तो डिसिजन रिवर्ट केलो आनी ही जीत जावन आसा आमची. दिस इज अवर सक्सेस. The issue what I took and 365 highlighted, this is success because I would like to say, because when we raised the voice, whole of Goa came to know what Gotala is going on and what BJP is doing, and Commissioner Galanda itli luz zali that BJP went on back foot and they have reversed.
Be it human resource development, corporation or other bodies, all are slowly being handed over to private players by the BJP government. These companies are harassing Goan youths. As a result, government should take back its decision of privatization of government services, Pratima told the Chief Minister today.
System start केल्लो आसा तशेंच मागता HRD जे ह्युमन डिपार्टमेंट आसा ह्युमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट आमी जे आमचे सरकार जे भुरग्यांकनी घेताले इंटरव्यू करून 18,000 पगाराचेर दवरताले जे लोकांचे पोटां भरतालीं जे आयज स्टॉप जाल्ले आसा प्रायवेटायझेशनाक दिवन तांकां 8,000 9,000 दिवन फुट्टेल्ले जाल्ले आसा ते देखून सरकारान BJP सरकारान प्रमोद सावंता कडेन मागता हेजेरी मातशें लक्ष काड आनी दोळे उक्ते कर कांय ना जाल्यार एटलिस्ट खंय तरी आमचे जे गोंयकार आसा जे लोक आसा ते तुमकां बेसांव दितले आनी दुसरे म्हणटा ते सरकाराक गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटाक कितें तरी रेवन्यू जनरेट जातलो म्हणून आय एम स्पेशली सेइंग थँक्स टू गोवा 365 फॉर टेकिंग अप दिस इशू एंड दिस इज नॉट ओनली सक्सेस ऑफ प्रतिमा दिस इज ऑल्सो सक्सेस ऑफ 365 बिकॉज टुगेदर वी कुड मेक द गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट रियलाइज that they have taken a wrong decision and they have reverted that issue.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Salsett.
Now for the weather. Goans can breathe a sigh of relief as the IMD predicts dry weather for the next 4 days until the 28th, marking a much awaited break in the incessant rainfall that has been lashing the state. However, there will be thunderstorms accompanied with lightning over isolated areas on the 29th, followed by a probable increase in rainfall activity over the state.
Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to hover around 33 degrees Celsius and 23 degrees Celsius respectively. While maximum temperatures are not likely to change over the next 3 to 4 days, minimum temperatures will fall by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius over the next 24 hours and then rise after 3 to 4 days. There are chances of light to moderate rainfall at isolated areas on the 28th and a few spells of rain on the 29th. No other weather warnings have been issued for the state and rough sea warning too has not been issued. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa 365.